Alright, here's what that vent looks like on this front side. You can see how I just took the siding up and put it over it. Got that vent of that screen stapled in, and then the siding holding it on there. And I caulked it, and you can go back and paint it. That's what it looks like. I'll go ahead and show you the other side. This is the one I showed you on the video that I installed. That's kind of what it looks like. And I took a video of this when I got it in the mail from Amazon and showed how it adjusted. So the ends, you can pull them in or pull them out to go to your angle that you have, and that video is now missing, so I thought I'd mention it. It is adjustable. You just push it in and out. So alright, I got two, one for each side of the building. Didn't have any instructions on how the screen is supposed to go in. I assume that it's supposed to go behind it, but I don't think I'm going to get it to work that well behind it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put this in, and then nail it all up around here, and then I'm going to lay this over top of it and staple it in there onto this, or nail it, and then I'll be putting the trim around this to cover it back up. So that's how I'm going to do it. I really don't see how they get that screen in there on the inside with it staying good to keep anything out. So I think putting it here over top after it's installed is going to be the best way. So that's how I'm going to do it. And I'm going to be putting it on before I put the trim on. Alright, I'll take you guys up there, let you guys see what it looks like up close on how I stapled in those screens. So I just put it over top. It's going to lay like that. I should keep any bugs wandering in there that are too big to get in there. But then I'll have the trim go right here, and then I'll have the siding come all the way across right here on the bottom to hold that tight, because there's nothing for me to hit there. So that's how I'm leaving it.